So what type of members should you use for testimonial videos for your online training programs? That's what we're going to talk about. Now, during normal times, I would actually tell you to go and look for the most emotional type of people. Because when it comes to video, the more of an emotional connection that you have, the better the video is going to do in the long run. But during these crazy coronavirus times, we're going to want to think a little bit differently. Since everybody is so raw, so on edge, and so emotional already, the last thing we want is somebody in your testimonial videos who is highly emotional. We want to look for people who are actually more confident, who are very talkative, and who are actually more on the happy, more positive, bubbly side. Because the more that we're going to see some more confidence and some more happiness, the more it's going to help people through everything that's going on. If you start getting somebody who is super emotional, you're going to push people who are already on the edge a little bit too far, and it could turn you off from what you're actually doing. So when doing the videos, make sure you're focusing on that, and that will help give you a much better testimonial video for your online training programs. Well, so by now you've been for the testimonial videos. I'm not able to talk and get this right.